Not every invoice lands in your inbox. Some sit behind a login in a billing portal, waiting for someone to remember. That's what the Tailride extension is for. It runs right on your own machine in whatever browser you use. Open it, and the supported portals are already there. Amazon, Stripe, Adobe, ChatGPT, and plenty more. Don't see yours? Search finds the hidden ones too, and one click puts it back in the list. The rest stay folded away until you want them. Set a starting date in settings, and older invoices stay out of the way. Then, click a portal, and Tailride opens the billing page in a separate tab and pulls out everything it finds. Turn on automatic scanning, and Tailride rechecks your portals on its own in the background. And if the portal you need isn't supported yet, teach Tailride how it works. Open the invoice page, start recording, and show it what to pick up. The rows, the date, the amount, the download link. Add the next button if there's more than one page. Or let Tailride find them for you. Save it once, and that portal works like any other. Export gives you a file. A colleague imports it, and the portal works on their machine too. Or send it to us, and we'll add that portal for everyone. Everything the extension collects lands in the same dashboard as the invoices from your inbox. Wherever it was hiding, it ends up in one place. Add the extension, sign into Tailride, and your first 10 invoices each month are free. Start at tailride.so.